Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day one of our redirecting videos for this week. Today we're going to be learning a new sound, so you don't need any paper or pencils. You just need to listen carefully and join in with Miss Brown. So our sound today that we are learning is air, air, air. And Miss Brown has got a picture on the back of our air card. And it's a mummy with lots of treats on a plate and she's not sharing any. And her children are saying, "That's not fair." Can you say that? Air, that's not fair. Good job. Now Miss Brown's got some words that has got the air sound in them. Let's see if we can spot the special friends. Fred talk and read the word. Special friend is air. I'm going to Fred talk it and let's see if you can notice what the word is. Air. Hair. Miss Brown has got her hair up today. Air. Stare. Your turn. Walking up the stair. Last one. Two special friends. Air. Chair. Your turn. Excellent. Well done. This is what our air special friend looks like. It's got three letters. A, I, and R. And the three letters put together make up the sound air. Well done. I'm going to see if I can trick you. When I hold the card this way, you're going to say air. When I hold the card this way, you're going to say air. That's not fair. Are you ready? Aha, say, you can't trick me, Miss Brown. Okay, I'm going to pop our new sound into our review pack. When you spot our sound that we are learning, you're going to say, oh, there it is. Are you ready? Let's go. There it is. Air. Super speedy sounds, boys and girls. Okay, we're moving on to our green words that has our special friend in it. What we're going to do is we're going to spot the special friend in the word, Fred talk it, and then read the word. Are you ready? First one, special friends. There's two, ch and air. Fred talk, ch, air. Chair. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Hair. Special friends. Ooh. Fred talk. Read the word. Air, as in fresh air. Special friends. Fred talk. Stare. Stare. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Fair. Fair. Last one. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Lair. The rabbit lived in a lair underground. Okay, moving on to our speedy reading. These are words that we already know because we've learned all these sounds. So we should be able to either thread in our head or speedily read these words. Are we ready? Me. Sort. Light. Car. No. Shook. Speedy reading, boys and girls. Okay. Alien words this time. Now remember, these words are a lot of nonsense, but they help us to say and practice our sound. So, we're going to spot our special friends, Fred talk, and then read the word. Special friend, air. Fred talk. Read the word. Player. Whoops. Miss friend's phone fell. Player. What a load of nonsense. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Gobbledygook. Last one. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Those aliens are very silly, making up all those nonsense words. To finish off with, we are going to do our red words. Now you will notice in the PowerPoint I've added in some new red words. You can practice those every day as well. Are you ready? We should be super speedy at these ones by now. The, I, my, no, off, put. Well done for reading your red tricky words, boys and girls. Now, you can go on to do your reading book because we have learnt to say and to read our new sound, air. Air. I think your book is Red Book 10. It could be. I can't remember what number it is, but it is in your Google Classroom in your Read Write Ink folder. Massive well done, boys and girls, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of Read Write Ink. Bye.